Hiya, it's me Natalie and that. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. And if you're new, my name is Natalie and I like doing nails, use holes and everything and anything to do with nails. And if you're not subscribed, click on the subscribe button and join the Glam Slam fam. Woohoo! So, I got something to post today. Let's see you see. Woohoo! It's my Sparkle Supply advent calendar that I won. So, I'm not going to go through everything in the calendar because I like to do my opening of calendar, advent calendars on the days. So yeah, I'm chuffed with it. I couldn't believe that I won it. I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my god. Fantastic. But I do have my VIP hauls from Sparkle Supply for November and October and November. Now I will say, look at this, it's fun. Oh, look at this, look at it. I'll show you first. These are Lorraine's socials. She's on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. She's got a Facebook group, which is great, and that's her website, sparklesupply.co.uk. And yeah, and if you get anything off Lorraine, I do have a code at BLP. It's NFM15 for 15% off. And if you do, yeah, if you do get anything off Lorraine, it's always good to give feedback and stuff. Well, her stuff's brilliant. But yeah, that's all Lorraine's socials. So I will open it, and you get, honestly, you get a lot of stuff for this. I know I didn't pay for this one because I won it, but when you know, I've paid for them in the past. I've bought a few of them. You get a lot. You do get a lot in money. So we'll just have a quick mosey on through and have a quick look. I don't want to break the box. I like to keep the box for a couple of reasons. Because one, it keeps everything in place. Because I like how Lorraine does these. So I don't want to. That's it. Look. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for your continued support and keep sparkling. Oh, ain't that lovely? Look, she does them really nice. And you get, I think there's 24. So you get 24 little parcels, and in each parcel is something for today. Oh, look at them, aren't they lovely? So what I'm going to do, like when they're first, I'll open this and so on and so on. That's how I do them. Sometimes I open 2 or 3 over a day, over a video. Sometimes I just do one. Look, fantastic. Oh, what excited. So I'm not going to open any yet, because like I say, I want to, I try not to watch any videos of other people opening theirs either, because I don't want to see what's in it. So childish, aren't I? But I just like it doing it like that, because I can do videos and things then with what's in. Now, if I have anything out of anything I've got, and I've already got something, which is unlikely, but if I do, I usually put it to one side and it will go in part of the giveaway. So I'll show you what October's VIP box will be available now, and I'll show you what was in that, and then I'll show you what's in November's. And again, it's all Sparkle Supply. So October's with this, I really like this. It's called Crazy Cave. That's cool, that, isn't it? It's really nice. It's very unusual, that. Not seen anything like that before. I got some of this 90s rave, yeah, definitely, and it's like blue to gold. It's gorgeous. I got in it this, what's this called? Attitude, absolutely. Yeah, because everybody's doing 90s stuff at the minute, aren't they? That's nice though, isn't it? That's nice, pink to gold. That's really pretty, that. And this one is this bittersweet, and that's like a pink to silver. It's got a very hint of a light blue in it, that. It's really pretty. Very fine, that one as well. These clear drops. Oh, they're nice, aren't they? Look at those. Oh, they're really nice. Are they pink? Yeah, they are. There's some pink ones. Gold, like champagne. Hey, they'll be good, won't they, for like New Year and Christmas, over Christmas period. Yeah, and they're called clear drops, and that's 4 grams. And the last but not least is iced purple flakes. Oh, I know these are going to be good. Look at them. Oh God, they are gorgeous. Oh, they'll be good for a Christmas set, because that's like looking at snow in it. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Love them. And in November's, so that's October's and November's VIP box. I have opened it, I'm sure I have. There's a lollipop. Just put the lollipop in. I can never eat the lollipops. I must have about 10 of these. Can't eat lollipops. Love them, but I can't eat them. And in this one, and by the way, that October one, that came to, total individual price was £13.85, but you pay £12.99. You're still saving. A saving's a saving, isn't it? This one, £13.44, £12.99. Saving's a saving, but I've got a feeling this is going to be nice. Honey diamante chain. Ooh, I don't think I've got that one. That's like a, yeah, it's like, no, I definitely haven't got that. It's like an orangey, goldy colour. Definitely not got that one. Let's have a look at this. Seasoned. That's nice as well, isn't it? That's a bit similar to that, isn't it? I'll check those two. No, they look similar, but I don't think they are. Has that got different things in it? Anyway, I'll check those. I'll have to check them. I'm not sure. Let me just check that that's in it. Yeah, it says season. Let me check that that's in that one. Yeah. They do look a bit similar. Right, but anyway, it's more than merry, I suppose. I'm not going to complain. These golden hoops, I like these. Now, these really do go flat on the nail. If you know, once you get them, if you bend them a little bit. I usually use this tool to bend stuff with, and it works quite well. But yeah, they would, again, they'd be fabulous for Christmas, won't they? Flourish? No, I've definitely not got this. This is like a red to silver. That's gorgeous, isn't it? It's Christmas, got Christmas all over it. And then snake skin. Yeah, not got that either. But I won't have, because these are all new. And the last but not least is raspberry mylar. Now I'm going to tell you something. She does one, and it's called Crimson Ultra Flakes, and I love it. And I know that any of her raspberry micro, let's have a look at this. It's like that. Look at that. It's gorgeous, stunning. Definitely not got that. That's beautiful. Love it. But I love anything, because I'm going to be using this in a set. I love this. This is one of hers. Crimson Ultra Flakes. Again, it's like that, but really red. Look at this. I've got two of these. I love it. Love it. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? I do love her flake. You know, her Ultra Flakes and her micro flakes are fantastic. Beautiful. So yeah, I'm very pleased. Very, very pleased. So that's October, November. As I say, I'm not going to go into the calendar until 1st of December. So yeah, so it should be good fun, because I'm gonna try and do a video every day, but it might be a bit difficult. But we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you think of those. I think they're really good value. Absolutely, really, really love sparkles. And like I say, I just do. I always have. And I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope you're all getting ready for Christmas and looking forward to it. And I'm looking forward to seeing all these nails that people produce. It's good fun, in it. I love it. And I hope everybody's alright and having a good time. And if you've got any ideas on what nails or anything you'd like to see me do, you know, especially over Christmas time, let me know in the comments. I'm always interested in what other people you know, what they like to see. I like to know that. And also, if you know where there's any good Christmas fairs, we do sometimes go to York, but I feel like it's gone a little bit expensive. So if you've got any we live in the northwest of UK, so I'm talking about northwest UK. If you know any of good Christmas fairs, you know, reasonable things, let me know in the comments as well, because I like to go and have a nosy. So yeah, I hope you come back again, and I'll see you next time. So take care of each other. Bye guys.